Ito na. Are we ready for our cast? Here we go. Yes, guys, ilabas. Ay, ate, baliktad po yung poster ninyo.
Love that. Support.
Okay, ayusin muna natin yung mga posters natin. Ilabas na po natin yung mga cellphones natin. Don't forget to use our hashtags. My love will make you disappear. Introducing Natasha E. Franco, Kelsey Lassaw, and Lucas Andalio. Ayan.
And let's also welcome Pee-wee O'Hara, Karina Bautista, Martin Escudero, Mix Almendras, Nico Antonio, Bench Manalo, Lovely Amelia Manalo, Wilma Dozen, and Melanie Cantiveros as the voice of Cookie.
Ayan po. Once again, we have here our cast of My Love Will Make You Disappear. Ma'am Shimelay, hello po.
Hello, Ma'am Shimelay.
Ayun. Hello, everyone. Okay. Again, Natasha E. Franco, Kelsey Lassaw, Lucas Andalio.
We have Pee-wee O'Hara, Karina Bautista, Martin Escudero, Mix Almendras, Nico Antonio, Bench Manalo, Lovely Amelia Manalo, Wilma Dozen, and Melanie Cantiveros.
Ayan. And syempre, ito, huwag na natin patagalin pa, Jay. Let's give it up for the director, Direct Chad Vidales. And people superstars, Kim Chu and Paolo Avelino.
Huwag na mabante. Kim Pa!
Kim Chu and Paolo Avelino. Ito na po ang cast ng My Love Will Make You Disappear. Okay, before anything, of course, Jane, isang photo op muna.
Yes.
Yan.
Smile to our camera. Ganun lang color scheme na very fast.
Gamit yung color palette, di ba?
And of course, we would love to know from Direct Chad Vidales, anong gusto mo sabihin, of course, to all the fans and supporters really waiting for this film. Ito na yung moment, no? Mapapalabas na starting tonight and tomorrow ang world premiere.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat na nandito. Baka tumagal mag-isa-isa hindi. Enjoy na lang natin itong pelikula. Sana magustuhan nyo at sana may makuha kayong magandang lesson dito sa pelikula ko. Maraming salamat. Sana bukas supportan natin sa pelikula.
Alright, we would also love to know, of course, the thoughts of the one and only Kim Chu.
Today, si Lassie, may kadate siya. Congrats! Ayan, nasabi ko ha.
Date reveal.
Si Belsi, Ma'am, si Aga, thank you so much sa lahat naman nandito. Thank you so much.
Ito naman. Okay, from OA to nonchalant, let's give it up for Paolo Avelino!
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. I want to thank everyone for coming, to all our supporters, fans. Our bosses, our colleagues from work. Brands that are here. Maraming salamat.
Once again, everyone, Cinema 3, let's give it up for the cast of My Love Will Make You Disappear!
Alright, thank you so much for all the cast. And of course, lahat ng mga fans na nandito ngayon, you may now settle down. Siyempre, sana nakaready rin yung mga popcorns nyo as we go to our respective seats. And once again, just leave the cinema.
Belongings unattended, as we are not responsible for any loss or damage to personal items. Okay, Cinema 3, handa na ba kayo? Okay, so once again, we would like to thank everyone for being here, for supporting ABS-CBN Studios and Star Cinema. Ano po yung host? For our In the Cinema premiere, my name is Ayala Perlas.
Let's also call on Jessica. Of course, Chubu Lopez, and the fans, of course, also Paolo Vivo, and the whole cast today. Our love will make you disappear.
A big congratulations to Dr. Chad, to also ABS-CBN and the Studio Star Cinema, Sir Vico Del Rosario, congratulations! And of course, the whole cast as well of My Love Will Make You Disappear.
Kung saan ako nakikita, diba? Sa mga shows na nila.
Bongga! As in,
Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, hindi ko nila.
yung pinaka-latest ano nila, Jens. Batangas. Yes. Okay. So again, we would also like to remind everyone na nakikita ko naman na ang phones nyo ay naka-record. So don't forget to post and use our hashtags, hashtag My Love Will Make You Disappear and hashtag MLWMYD, the world premiere.
Ang ginabang pa natin sa before the reactions. Kung kayo sila before, pinapakaroon din sa trend na makita ko reactions. But after, yung habang masaya na, we will see in just a few moments.
We have our West here and also the crew who made this possible.
Yes, shout out, of course, to the promo team of Star Cinema, the whole Star Cinema family for making this film possible.
Yes, we're so excited. 2025 truly is our year.
Yes, and of course, kasi pa magpapabongga for you, pwede pa rin magpapabongga ng box screenings.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Again, Jay, we'd like to thank again our friends from the media. Thank you so much. Let's all settle down dahil I think excited na po ang mga fans ng K-pop and syempre ang mga Yuji's din to finally watch the movie My Love Will Make You Disappear. Ready na ba kayo sa mga team? Alright. Again, let us all settle down. And we thank you guys for being here, for supporting ABS-CBN Studios and Star Music.
Thank you so much for all the love and share with your friends and family. Let's all support our Filipino films. My name is Jim Miranda.